So this is the umbrella. Keep in mind, you will probably want to get a base for it if you don't have one already. So we're gonna go ahead and put it on our table. So as you can see, you can tilt it. You can see how large it is. It's a little breezy out here, and since we don't have a base, it might go a little bit wiggle left and right, but definitely made of nice quality. So the material seems to be nice and heavy duty. Just simply wind and unwind to bring, to open it and close it. You don't have to max it out the whole way, so you don't gotta make it like super tight. But overall, it's very nice, very large. I mean, it covers a massive area. And it looks nice too. So as you can see, the sun is out there. So what we could do is we could tilt it that way and it would completely block the sun off. So just very nice.